Floating above the forest, the 12-ton weightlifter selects a target with precision.
It's kind of like looking down 25 stories and picking up a telephone pole. Ideally, when you come over the top, you're stationed perfectly above it. But odds being what odds are, and the wind being what it is, it's not always that easy. I like flying logs rather than seeing a hillside get scarred up. Lifting straight out of the forest, you're not scraping it up the hill, you're not eroding the soil. It's so much cleaner on the environment. It's kind of like flying a bus. You got to plan your movements out, and it takes a moment for it to react, but when it does, it's a serious reaction. The unique thing about this helicopter is that when we take off of the ground, we're approximately 22,000 pounds. We're rigging them for about 26,000 pounds. So the load actually weighs more than a helicopter. It's exciting and harrowing all at the same time.
This type of lifter was built to haul a very different cargo. When loaded down with troops, supplies, and armor plate, it still plays a role on the helicopter's biggest stage.